Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Jabra Elite 2. So first of all, you have to open this charging case, and right now we have to input left and right earbud inside, and then we have to click and hold on this left and the right touchpad together and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So let's do this right now. Click and hold. Take a look for the indicators. We have to wait until they start blinking on purple like the left one, but for some reason the right one is not working, so let's try to repeat. Let's put them back and then let's do this right now. Click and hold left and the right one. Okay, it looks like only the... Okay, never mind, they are blinking together, so keep holding. Okay, and as you can see, when the indicators disappear, we can finally erase the both buttons. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.